Welcome back to 8-Bit Sailing. I'm Simon, this is my Comfortina 32, and here you see part 2 of how I'm trying to repair the deep cracks in my Gelcoat here on my deck. If you haven't seen already part 1, I recommend you to have a look and see how I've removed the deck ring here and the hatch behind that. This time I will grind into the cracks and see how bad the damage really is. So stay tuned and enjoy watching. I will clean the mess here with acetone. I can recommend this stuff, it's really nice, but be aware to wear gloves. I will be using a Dremel to open up these cracks. After grinding 1 hour with this Dremel, I've decided to use a little bit stronger equipment. So I've started using my Makita grinder, and that's the result now. I will clean it up, and there's still some part left here on the starboard side. Yep, let's see. Alright, I've removed here Gelcoat, this huge chip Gelcoat, this Gelcoat here, and now you can see the fiberglass below it, and unfortunately it looks like the cracks are going deeper into the fiberglass. So when I use acetone to clear the view, you can clearly see cracks here, still cracks visible here, and on this side even more cracks. So I think I will grind this even further. Maybe I remove also these parts here of Gelcoat, and then I will put some layers of new fiberglass on top of this to re-strengthen this whole structure, and then on top I will put again Gelcoat. And yeah, I guess this will be the part 3 then. So I hope you enjoyed that video and you're curious about the next part. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and see you soon. Bye.